Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Behind me, we have a Ford Fiesta MK8. To the normal eye, this car looks totally fine, but it was involved in a car accident with an uninsured driver. I will roll the clip right now. I have had to fork out getting this car repaired out of my own pocket. It doesn't look like half a bad job has been done, although there is one issue: the alignment. And that is exactly what we are going to be sorting out today. We are going to attempt to try and get the alignment perfect. I am going to attempt my first ever repair, and I have not a clue what I'm doing. So, as you can see, if you look here, the wing is sitting a few millimeters low. Bonnet is looking flush, which is good. But then on this side, we have massive gap right here. That is a classic post-repair job. I'm going to loosen off the top bolts just ever so slightly so I can move the wing in the right position. Tiny movements make a big difference here. The goal is to line everything up evenly with the bonnet. Right guys, it is not the best, but it's my best attempt. So guys, I am all done, but I'm not 100% happy with it. It's better, but it is not 100%. But that's what happens with crash damaged cars. They're not always going to be 100% after. On this line, we've got it a little bit better. Coming down, it looks fairly okay. Along the bumper seems to be nice. This is the part I'm not 100% happy with. You can see the line, but right here, there is fairly big gap. Everything is fit nicely and snug all the way back in. That is looking much better already. The panel lines are sitting as flush as they can. That is a win for today. The wings are more straight than they were before. If you found this helpful, hit a big thumbs up, hit subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one.